Good morning, brothers and sisters. Today is Wednesday, July 16, 2025. Our daily gospel, St. Matthew chapter 11, verses 25 to 27. We will just read the very core of our message in verse 26. Yes, Father, for this is what you were pleased to do. Oo, Ama, sapagkat gayon ang ikinalulugod mo. The Gospel of the Lord, our message, the Father's pleasure, ang kasiyahan ng Ama. First, dependent. Dependency only to the Father's authority. Umaasa. Ang pag-asa lamang ay sa kapamahalaan at autoridad ng Ama. Second, submitted. Submission only to the Father's heart. Nagpapasakop. Pagpapasakop lamang sa puso ng Ama. And third, obedient. Obedience only to the Father's will. Masunurin. Ang pagsunod lamang sa kalooban ng Ama. Magandang umaga and God bless us all.